Hello, this is the SkillPort orientation video for Excel, Word, and PowerPoint courses. In an email, you will receive a link to this welcome packet. You'll want to make sure that you take a few minutes to read through it carefully because it contains important information. You will also receive documentation in the email about the home use program. If you're a Washoe County School District employee and you do not have Microsoft Office 2013 on your home computer, you can use the home use program to install it for only $9.95. If you're a Washoe County School District employee and you do not have Microsoft Office 2013 on your work computer, you can use the application catalog within the Start menu to install Microsoft Office 2013. When you get this packet, the first thing you'll want to do is take a look at page 2. It has information about how to get to SkillPort, so keep this handy and you might want to bookmark this website. The website is ESP, which stands for Education Support Professional. WCSD, which stands for Washoe County School District, .skillport.com. espwcsd.skillport.com. Here's your login information. You'll want to make sure that you have Java, J-A-V-A, installed on your computer because it will allow you to log into SkillPort. It does not have to be the latest version of Java. If you need any help with SkillPort, there is help available from Skillsoft support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You use your web browser and go to support.skillsoft.com and you can get help from them there. You can also contact me, Tony Rader, at tlrader@washoeschools.net, or you can call me at 789-3419 if you need any help. So again, here's your login information. Make sure that you're using a later version of a web browser. I don't recommend Internet Explorer, but if you do use Internet Explorer, make sure you're using version 10 or higher. Other web browsers that work really well with SkillPort include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Also, please take a look at page 4. Tips for e-learners are on page 4. E-learning is sometimes difficult for some folks because especially if they're new to e-learning or online learning environment. A lot of times we get used to having an instructor right there with us, and in e-learning you're not going to have an instructor to help you 24/7. So you want to make sure that you're able to pace yourself and that you're able to solve some technology problems on your own, or at least know how to find help with those technology problems and solving them. So we will provide support for you with that. You can always contact us at the Department of Professional Learning if you need help with technology problems. Also, we provide some help within SkillPort to help you pace out the course so that you can finish it within our course timeline and our course schedule. But again, contact us. But if you don't feel like e-learning is one of your strong points or online learning is a strength for you, please know that our department offers many similar courses in a face-to-face learning environment at the Matley Professional Learning Center. Also, please know that SkillPort courses do not contain images and graphics that are specific to Washoe County School District. We really intend that you as a participant take the larger meaning from the course topics and activities and apply them within your own work environment. So here is how you get to the SkillPort website. You're going to open up your web browser, make sure you're using the latest version and that you have Java installed on your computer, and the website address is espwcsd.skillport.com. Your username is the first part of your Washoe County School District email address. That's usually your first initial and last name. Your temporary password for first-time SkillPort users is welcome, WELCOME, all in lowercase letters. If you're signing in for the first time using the welcome password, you will receive a prompt that asks you to change your password to something more personal. After you log in, the first thing that you're going to do to get to your course is to click on View Learning Plan, and it's up here in the light blue colored area, View Learning Plan. Click there. And this video is intended as an orientation for 3 different courses, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. So just click on the name of your course. I'm just going to demonstrate using Excel for now. So I clicked on Online Excel 2013 Instructor-Led Program. And the first thing that I want you to note is that there are some objectives here. And this objective tells you that you have an online discussion forum post due on the last day of the course. And in this post, And I'm going to show you how to get to the online discussion forum. You're going to post 5 tips or new things that you learned about Word or Excel or PowerPoint. And this is really helpful when participants are completing their final project, which is a document which is described here, because you can go into the online discussion forum and you can maybe get ideas from other participants about how to improve your final project. So to get to the online discussion forum, over here on the right side in your learning program, see, remember we're in our learning program Excel right now. I'm going to click on Community Comments, and you can just type your tips about Excel or Word or PowerPoint depending on which class you're taking right in this box, and then just click Add. Here's the Add button. And then again, you may want to read other participants' posts as well, because that may help you. So I'm going to close out of that. And then just also to remind you that you have a final project that's due on the last day of the course. Now, if you take a look at page 5 of the welcome packet, you'll see information about that. The final project needs to be an original document, and if you're taking Word, it needs to be a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, it needs to be a PowerPoint presentation. It needs to be related to something that you're doing at work. So if you're doing an Excel document, if you're taking Excel, it might be sorting through data or something like that. If you're taking the Word class, it might be a flyer, a calendar. If you're taking the PowerPoint class, it might be a presentation for parents, something like that you're responsible for at work. And also it needs to include 5 or more Microsoft Office features that you learned during the course. So if I'm taking Excel, I might use the feature of word wrap, I could use shading, I could use sorting, I could use filtering. There are many features that I could use. Same thing with Word. There are many different features that you can use with that. With PowerPoint, you can insert graphics, animation, transitions. There are lots of ideas there within the course. So remember, you'll turn that into your instructor by the last day of the course. You want to make sure that you get through, that you finish all of your SkillPort modules before you work on your presentation, although you can kind of be working on it during the course. So here's my learning program here in the dark blue color. Within my learning program, there are 4 modules. There's 1 module for each week. And so I'm going to open up the first module by clicking the plus beside it. Within each module, there are sets. In this case, there are 3 required sets, which contain topics and activities for this first week. And there's 1 that's optional that contains some interesting videos, but they're not required for you to watch. So the first set, creating workbooks, is going to take me about an hour to complete. Formatting data, 1 hour. Formatting cells, 1 hour to complete. So you can expect to take, depending on whether there are 3 or 4 sets in the module, you can expect to spend about 3 or 4 hours per week completing your SkillPort work. So again, there are 4 modules, 1 for each week, and then there are sets within the module. About 1 hour per set is what it will take. So I'm going to click the plus next to the first set, creating workbooks, and let's take a look at what's inside this set. I'm going to scroll down and show you in the creating workbook set. Here's a topic, an activity, another topic. Each one of these takes about 5 or 10 minutes, but the total of all of these topics and activities will take you about an hour. You want to make sure that you have your pop-up blocker turned off so that you can launch the course player. To launch the course player, you go to your first topic or activity and click the launch button below it. Also, make sure that your computer's sound is turned on. To open the course menu, click on the Menu Control button located in the top left corner of the course player window. The Completion Status button is located in the top of the course menu. The completion status report is divided into 2 tasks, Task A and Task B. Task A shows the percentage of content you have visited for a set of topics. Task B indicates the number of test questions you have responded to and your current test score for a set of topics. The table of contents lists all of the topics in a set. From there, you can access the items in any order you would like.
click on the Place in Course indicator to return to the place where you left off. To start a topic, click Next. In the video control bar, you can pause, play, and replay the video. Use the back button to view the previous segment of the video. Click on the Transcript button to open the printable video transcript in a separate window. To read the video transcript inside of the course player, click on the CC or Captions button. To adjust the caption size, click on the Settings wheel. You can also use this button to open and close the course menu. Each topic has a brief topic test of 1 or 2 questions. You may take a topic test at any point in a topic. A course is a set of topics. You may take a course test after you have completed all of the topics in the course. If you complete all of the topic tests in a course, you do not need to take the course test as well. To access a topic test, click on the topic test link in the video control bar in the course player window. It is advisable that you view all of the pages in the video before you take the topic test. So I'm going to quickly view the pages in this topic. So I'm on the last page, and then click on the topic test. Then to start the test, click on Take Test. To pass a test, you will need to score 80% or higher. You may retake the test as many times as needed to earn a score of at least 80%. So question 1, identify the ways in which you can add a video to a presentation in PowerPoint 2013. So it says insert from YouTube by pasting the embed code. Copy and paste the video file directly into your presentation. Insert the movie from a video that's stored on a hard drive. Insert a video from your SkyDrive account. And I'm not sure that, I bet you can get I'm going to try this and see how I do. I haven't actually gone through the content yet. Question 2, which options are available for customizing a video if you've added it to a slide? Let's see. Loop the video. Have the video play as soon as the slide displays. Fade in and out. Have the video play over successive slides. Set the volume. Hide the video when it's not playing. Okay, so it looks like I missed one of the items in here. So let's see how I did. I got a score of 90%. Now, you see the retake test button. Only use that if you score less than 80% on any kind of a test, a topic test or a course test. Don't click retake if you score higher than 80%. So I'm just going to skip that there. Now, if you've done all the topics and you want to take the course test, you can just open the menu, and right here you'll see a link to the course test. It's in the menu. If you click on Course Test, this area shows your current test score for the entire set of topics here in the Summary tab. Your test score for each topic in the set of topics is located in the Details tab. And you can view by lesson and by topic if you click the plus next to the lessons and see how you did on each test. To close the course player, click on the word Exit. This will save all of your work and bookmark the place where you left off. Do not use the red X in the top right corner of the course player window. That will not bookmark your work. Then it says you have not completed it, and you can go ahead and exit the course if you'd like to. If you have visited all of the content in a topic or activity and earned a score of 80% or higher on the topic, you will see a full green circle for the topic. If you do not see a full green circle, simply reload or refresh the web browser and the full green circle will appear. To do that, there's a button right next to the address bar in your web browser. Just click it and it will bring you back to the page. We'll refresh or reload. And we're going to go back into the set that we were in. And here I can see a full green circle because I've accessed all the pages and gotten 80% or higher on the test. To complete a SkillPort activity, locate an activity and click on the launch link. The activity will open in the course player window. To complete a SkillPort activity, you do not need to open Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or Outlook. You will complete the activity in the SkillPort course player itself. To complete SkillPort activities, you will need to use the buttons in the course player window. To read the steps for an activity, click on the Steps button in the course player window. From there, you can read each step and follow it. Step 1. Click Video and select Online Video. Notice that Step 1 is now gray. That means that I completed it correctly. Step 2. Type Introduction Bikram Yoga in the Bing Video Search text box and click Search. Make sure that you type everything correctly exactly as it shows in the Steps box. Scroll down. Step 3 says select Introduction to Bikram Yoga and click Insert. Everything's done here in the course player window. Step 3 is completed. That step is gray. Click the play button for Step 4. Step 4 is completed. Let's scroll down and make sure that we completed all of the steps. Yes, we did. Then we'll click the Done button in the SkillPort course player window. The feedback says, you have completed this task successfully. You have added a video to a slide and played it. So let's go on to the next task. Now we could click Steps, but if we have any trouble, if we experience any difficulty completing the steps within the course player window, we can have SkillPort show us how to do it. To have SkillPort show us, we click the Show Me button. With the Show Me functionality, your hands can be off the computer and off the mouse. SkillPort will do all of the work for you, and all you need to do is watch the screen of your computer. Please be aware that SkillPort activities do not include test questions. However, to complete an activity, you do need to touch all of the pages in the activity. When you're finished, remember to exit the course player correctly. We wish you a great learning experience.